first Christmas.
Ain't it?
Rain it.
First
Christmas.
Look at that.
Look at that. Look at that. Hey, what are you hitting me for? What are you hitting me for? Huh? Huh? Oh. Okay. My baby. Look, one of a kind.
What is that? What is that?
Oh, it's an outfit.
Oh, okay.
You want to check it out?
No, it's okay.
No, she said, give it back.
You gotta smack me with it.
And then that big one back there is hers, right?
Yeah. She won't open it now. Right up. Yeah, tear this off.
There, stand her up. She don't want to stand up.
She wants to stand up.
Nah, she don't.
She's tired. She's like, y'all keep trying to make me do stuff.
You put your stuff in my mouth. Okay.
She irritated.
Okay.
She irritated.
Look, look,
Oh.
look. You can open the door.
What is that?
Walker.
Are you gonna like that now?
Sounds and Lights Activity Walker. Okay.
That's great. She can sit in the living room and chill on me.
Okay, well, open it up then. You can sit there done.
Thank you.
Oh yeah, assemble this together.
Say thank you.
Usually you just gotta pop a few things in place.
Thank you. Okay.